right, let them hear you. Make some noise for him.
This is what we call taiko. We have few types of taiko. This is the hira taiko, which means the flat drum. And we also have the shime taiko, which means the pitched drums. And unfortunately, we couldn't bring our o-daiko, which means the big drum. It didn't fit in our car, so I'm sorry we didn't have it. But if you come to, I don't know if I'm supposed to say this, but if you come to Epcot, maybe you'll see us, the big drum, the cool drum. So anyway, we have a chance to have a sneak peek of our Orlando Taiko Dojo today. And taiko was introduced over 2,000 years ago as a religious myth in the shrines, and hence has changed its styles throughout the years. Now they are mainly used for festivals and in crops in the rain, and also by the soldiers in the battlefield. So let's have some demonstration of taiko. You want to know how it's gonna sound, right? You want to know how big it is. I guess. So it almost sounds like a thunder.
And be pleased, survivors.
Thunder roaring. Am I right? Thunder.
Women and dragon sisters.
This is how the shime daiko, the pitched taiko sounds. 오네가이시마스. That's why we call it the pitched drum.
For all of my team,
and we use different kind of bachi, which is the drumstick, to play the drums. The hira daiko uses the normal or rather thick bachi, while the shime daiko uses the thinner bachi. So as you can see, Taiko, who is ready to maybe join our stage? Oh, I see a few hands. Do I only see like 2 or 3? I see more. Okay. So sorry, we didn't have a lot of drums here, but 10 people will come on stage and play with us. So I like the energy on the very left, the red shirt.
I'm so far. We just need JDBC mix.
I'll accept 2 red shirts. Okay.
This time.
And wait, I saw the idol. The girl in the pink skirt, please. Pink skirt? Yeah. Do I have a volunteer from here? This side? Nobody? Oh. Okay, then can I have you on stage, sir? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, please hand sanitize before we play. Can I have you with your a baby? Yes. I think we could count as 1, right? Yes. Okay. Oh, the guy with the nice sunglasses?
Again, JDBC mix. Please make your way to our Major League Dragon Boat inflatable.
Lena! Yes! Please come. Oh, okay. Let me see.
Again, race 23.
How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so can I have the green umbrella?
Survivors in sync. Dragon Sisters, please make your way to the marshal area at
I
this
think that's 10
time.
people, so for now, we'll be closing. Can you come on stage? Thank you. I heard that it's your birthday. Happy birthday! Okay, so is everybody already sanitized their hands, I guess? Great. So we'll be doing some Taiko lessons. But before we do Taiko, actually, we're gonna do some training. Yes, it sounds like hardcore, but actually, that little, person here is gonna be your teacher for now. So I will pass on.
You wanna play taiko? But before play taiko, we need brain exercise. Right brain, left brain, switch, 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 switch. Okay, are you ready? Every morning, toothbrush, side to side, side to, こっち置いてくれますか? Touch, on the floor, on the floor. Every morning, toothbrush, side to side, side to side.
And at this time, we would like to award our first place winner for Premier Mixed A Division Consolation. First place goes to JDBC Mix. Give it up for him.
Fantastic. Switch. 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 Very good. Next, do you know karate? Karate? Yep. Close your hand and open. Open. Close. Switch. Switch. Close. No, open. Yes. Open. Okay, are you ready? Switch. 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 Very good. Opposite. Open and close. Okay, close.
So your palm is open in the front,
Close. Get close.
your fist towards your body.
Switch. Close.
Close. And open
And
palm.
race 20 is currently underway on the water right now.
Switch. 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 Switch.
Next.
So it was like, oh, it's 20 and a guy said, can I give you the 5 minutes?
Pinch your nose.
Nose. Pinch your nose. And yeah, grab the other side of your ear. And switch. Still pinching your nose and the other hand grabbing your ear. Switch. 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 The last one.
All right, you guys, race 21 is coming up.
You're making a triangle with your
Premier Mixed
right
A Division
arm.
is currently racing on the water.
1, 2,
They are
3.
paddling hard for that
1,
finish
2,
line.
3. The other hand is making a circle, or actually a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So together at once. Right hand triangle, left hand square. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow, you guys, we
1,
again
2,
are
3,
neck
4.
and neck.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job.
Wow, you guys,
Okay,
this has
Now,
been an amazing
we are going to be
race for
playing
all
the
these
real
teams.
thing,
They are
the
coming so
taiko.
close.
So pick up your drumsticks, the bachi. Okay. Spread your legs. Deep, stable posture. Point to the sky. Touching the ceiling. There's nothing up on top, but touch the ceiling. And have a nice smile so you're on Instagram.
Okay, picture time.
Picture time. Take your pictures.
Alright. Right hand up.
Right hand up.
Are you ready? Yes. Boom.
Boom.
Are you hungry?
Are you guys hungry? Did you guys have breakfast?
Sorry. You can try. One more time.
One more time. 1, 2, 3. So-so. He says so-so. He says he wants more. Like your audience is gonna jump from your sound.
Okay. Are you ready?
Ready? 2, 3. Left hand, pointing to the sky.
1,
2, 3. Right?
1,
2, 3. Left. 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna go faster, faster, and faster.
1, 2.
Ready?
1, 2.
On your mark.
1,
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Dump, 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 dump.